How to fix Android stuck on the battery icon on screen. This tutorial shows you how to get your device past the battery charging screen on your Android device. First, plug your device into a charger and leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes as the battery may be completely drained and needs a minimum charge before it can boot up. After that, once it has charged a little, press and hold the power button to try turning it on normally. From there, if it's still stuck, press and hold both the power button and volume down button at the same time for about 10 seconds to force restart your device. At this point, release the buttons when you feel a vibration or see the screen change. In the next step, your device should now boot up normally past the battery icon screen. Following this, if it's still stuck, try using a different charger or cable, as a faulty cable can sometimes cause the device to get stuck on the charging screen. Finally, if none of these steps work, press and hold the power and volume down buttons again to enter recovery mode and select Reboot System Now to restart your device from there. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you get past the stuck battery screen, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.